In this video, we're going to talk about how to make a therapeutic massage oil that's used for joint pain and muscle cramps. If you'd like to learn more about how to make it, stay with us until the end of this video. To make this oil, we use 4 main ingredients: Sesame Oil, Eucalyptus Essential Oil, Rosemary Essential Oil, and Peppermint Essential Oil. Now, why do we use these ingredients? I'll give you a brief explanation about each one, and then we'll move on to making our oil. Sesame oil, which forms the base of this formula, spreads well on the skin. It is known for its warming effect on the muscles, meaning it increases blood flow, and this property helps warm up the tissues. If the joints are in pain, it significantly aids in their recovery. Sesame oil also possesses incredibly powerful and natural moisturizing properties. This essentially means that if someone is looking to effectively eliminate persistent dry skin, they can certainly benefit from incorporating this nourishing massage oil into their daily routine every single day. Rosemary Essential Oil, with effective compounds such as alpha-pinene and cineol, helps warm up the muscles by increasing blood flow, and also, thanks to its anti-inflammatory substances, helps relieve joint pain. Eucalyptus Essential Oil, containing an active ingredient called eucalyptol, gives a cooling sensation to the muscles, which helps reduce pain and muscle cramps. As you can see, rosemary essential oil warms up the muscles, and eucalyptus essential oil acts as a cooling agent, giving a cooling sensation to the muscles. The balance between these two oils creates a very pleasant effect when you use this oil, leaving your muscles and tissues feeling great. Additionally, the third essential oil we want to add is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint contains menthol, the active ingredient menthol, which quickly gives a cooling sensation to the muscles. If we carefully mix these 3 specific and highly essential oils, which are also very widely used in high-quality professional massage oils, together with pure sesame oil, just as we are exactly about to prepare right now, you will then have a truly professional-grade massage oil that you can comfortably use for yourself every single day, or even twice a day if you should wish to do so. For people who exercise, they can use it every day after the gym or before it. Elderly individuals who are suffering from chronic knee pain or persistent back pain can greatly benefit from using this specialized oil. To begin making this therapeutic oil, you should first carefully measure out exactly 100 milliliters of pure sesame oil. Carefully pour the mixture into a clean glass container such as a laboratory beaker or any sturdy glass jar you have available. It is absolutely vital to make sure your container is made of glass. You must never use plastic for this process. And then, once that is ready, we need to slowly add the concentrated essential oils to it. To start, I am going to add exactly 15 individual drops of pure rosemary essential oil into the jar. Be sure to use a disposable pipette, which you can find at laboratory supply stores. Now, since I have various glass pipettes, after sterilizing them, I can use them. If you can sterilize them each time, you can use pipettes like this. If not, be sure to use plastic pipettes so that after using them, you can throw them away and use a new pipette each time. Carefully add 5 drops of pure therapeutic eucalyptus globulus essential oil sold to the mixture. And then after that is done, I carefully add about 5 to 10 individual drops of pure peppermint essential oil directly into this carrier oil mixture to give it a refreshing scent. For the next step in the process, you will need to gently but thoroughly stir this entire mixture for approximately 1 full minute to ensure that all of the potent essential oils are completely and uniformly dissolved into the carrier oil. After thoroughly stirring and mixing the oil for a period of approximately 1 or 2 minutes, you should then carefully store the mixture for 1 full day in a cool, dark and dry location that is kept well away from any direct sunlight. This stage is called the stabilization stage. This means that the essential oils and carrier oils mix well together and the active ingredients of the essential oils dissolve in the oil. After 1 day, you can use this massage oil whenever you want.